If your Photoshop is acting slow, glitchy, or tools aren't working correctly, or tools are not in the right place, or some tools are missing, resetting your preferences can instantly fix the problem. Here's how to do it fast. If you're on Windows, go to Edit, hover over Preferences, and click General. If you're on a Mac, go to Photoshop, Preferences, and then General. In the Preferences window, you'll see two important options. If you want to reset all warning dialogues, check the box for Reset All Warning Dialogues and click OK. If you want to completely reset Photoshop settings, check Reset Preferences on Quit and click OK. Then close and reopen Photoshop for the reset to apply. If you only want to reset your workspace, go to Window, Workspace, and click Reset. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.